Let's take a look at Decorator Factories for handling logic pathing in event-triggered code. Using this approach can greatly reduce those awkward if-else chains and elevate your programming by cleanly separating your core logic from clunky novice designs. Instead of hard-coding every command, you can dynamically map events to their handlers, resulting in cleaner, more modular code. In this example, we have an object representing a stopwatch. We take user input and use if-else to handle the control flow. But what if this object becomes more complex and we add new features over time? Well, we end up with this awkward chain of if-else statements, generally regarded as code smells or novice-like code. You can see where the main function here can just become overrun with this type of handling. Decorator factories let you generate decorators that automatically register your function as event handlers. This means you can replace long if-else statements with neat self-registering methods that map commands directly to their actions. Here, new event is a decorator factory. It takes a dictionary of functions and an event name. Its goal is to register a function or callback as a handler for that event. When you decorate a function with the new event decorator, it defines an inner function wrapper that takes self as an argument and calls the original callback. This stores the wrapper in the provided function dictionary with the key set to the event name. This returns the original unmodified callback. It effectively maps a string, like start or stop, to a function that can be called later. Here we're using the dunder call method that makes the input handler an instance callable. So when you pass a command, for example start or stop, it will check if the command exists in the function's dictionary, and if it does, it calls a corresponding function, passing self, which is the instance, as an argument. Implementing designs like this will greatly separate you from novice coders, and it will also make implementing future features a little bit easier by completely separating the trigger logic from the functional logic that initiates an action.